This is an old fishing boat that used to be rented out on a campground. And it used to be green and red. We sanded it all down. Then we put self-etching primer on there, did a little two-tone, just a nice glossy finish at the end. The trailer, that was an 1 7/8". Hated that, so I took that off. The winch was crap. Obviously this isn't the prime setup because there should be a winch stand, but I wasn't about to spend $200 on a jack stand. So I said, well, that's good enough with that, whatever, for now. But yeah, look at that slick paint job, dude. I'm actually gonna return these seats. It's too high, it just doesn't work. Painted the inside, same deal. Took out this middle bench seat, and right down here, this is 5/8 inch plywood. It's like 80 bucks, dude, crazy. That I just put epoxy from Home Depot on. The bottom has basically an A-frame type of deal. Nothing too fancy, but it looks slick. I was gonna put the marine carpet on there, but dude, I think that looks pretty decent. Coming back here, this isn't ideal. This is pressure treated wood. What happened was I had an electric motor right here and I freaking broke it, dude. All this time I spent on it, crap. Those mounts right there, you can see they're just like twist on. Basically just a PVC tightens that wing nut, so that way it can actually sit on there and you won't die. Got the old life jacket with a whistle, and because we will take this out on the ocean if we're feeling wild some days. Now that's the gas, obviously mixed gas, because this is a 2-stroke, little 5 horsepower, little peanut. Slick, dude. I ain't scared one bit. We're gonna really use this boat to putt around. I do a lot of trolling for salmon here on the Klamath in about a month, and then on the Chetco this fall. So, dude, this is all you need, man. Little 5 horsepower, little putt-putt, 2 nice seats. Oh, the cleat. Yeah, that cleat over there, I just put that so when I'm unloading and I'm at the dock, I can just quickly tie the boat up to the dock while I take the truck and park it. So, just a nice little addition that you don't think about until you need it. And then just some clamp on rod holders. So dude, this is super simple. It's pretty slick. The paint took the longest. I think it looks really good. The tires, bought those at Bimart. They're like 50 bucks each, dude. Heck yeah. This was kind of funny. This axle is so small, it's like a 3/4 inch bearing. So one bearing was seized in here, and man, I had the toughest time finding an actual 3/4 inside diameter bearing. But old Jeff Bezos came through again, and I found it eventually on Amazon, but no auto parts store. It's really pretty uncommon. They're all 1 inch diameter on the inside, so that was fun. But yeah, I just got some slick tires. We're not gonna be driving a lot on this thing. Here she is. We're gonna call her the Orca. I need to get a sticker right there. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to see an update on the wood, dude, it'll probably warp or whatever, man. But spend all that money and time for aluminum and cutting, nah, dude. I mean, plus that looks slick. So let me know if you want an update. We'll see how it goes. Again, just gonna really kind of troll around the rivers for salmon. So hopefully get some slick videos on that. 5 horsepower Mercury on the Orca, dude. 16-foot aluminum fishing boat. Thanks for watching.